I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jack a Honda Pilot. Park on level ground and set the parking brake, then chock wheels diagonally. Locate the manufacturer jacking point near the pinch weld or frame and confirm the jack pad fits. Use a rated floor jack and place a jack stand under a solid frame point, lowering the vehicle gently onto the stand before working under or removing the wheel. In this video, I will show how to jack a Honda Pilot. Identify the correct lift points by matching owner manual diagrams to the vehicle underbody. Clean dirt from the jacking area and confirm the jack saddle centers on the reinforced spot. Raise the vehicle slowly, stopping to recheck jack alignment, and place a jack stand under a nearby solid frame point before lowering the jack to transfer weight safely. In this video, I will show how to jack a Honda Pilot. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep lunches tidy while you work on the car, and they double as handy parts trays. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to jack a Honda Pilot. Position a rated floor jack under the correct point and pump steadily until the wheel clears the ground a few inches. Slide a jack stand into place under a recommended support location and lower the jack until the vehicle rests on the stand, not the jack. Work with the wheels chocked and never crawl under solely supported by a jack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.